Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, one of coordinations. We do custom events, destination weddings. We do planning of all sorts. So anything that need planning and decorating, we handle it. I have over 10 plus years in the wedding industry. My business is catered to plan medium wedding, large weddings, all events, custom events, corporate events. Um, you just name it all. So today, as I promised, we're going to talk about how to hire a planner for your destination wedding, and some of the benefits and the positive of having those things. So we can jump right into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is one of the reasons why you will need to hire a wedding planner for a destination wedding. In addition to knowing you that you are in capable hands, because that's the most important thing. You want to make sure that your day is being handled by somebody right. You want to also give you a peace of mind, because when you're planning a destination wedding, I it's more stressful actually than actually planning a wedding locally. Because what makes the stress intense is that one, there's language barriers. Two, you cannot just go right up to the person or schedule an appointment and go see them. Everything has to be done by email, by phone. Sometimes you don't reach the person on time. There's language barrier. You spending international fee money to pay for long distance charges just to be able to talk to somebody. And so a lot of things gotta come, it comes into play, and trying to have somebody answer. So it's always give you the peace of mind having somebody answering all the questions for you, knowing the right things to ask. Sometimes you may not know, it might take multiple phone calls to get one answer to a question, whereas a professional planner already know all those things that is required. They can get straight to the point and get things done for you a whole lot quicker. And you have, then another thing is that you have that hands-on experience. um, so a lot of destination planner have years and years of experience, and they also have connection. They have built, and most wedding planner in general, that have been doing this for a while. They have experience and have connection with different vendors, different wedding venues, different wedding professionals. They can have a lot of things done, a lot of discount done for you a lot quicker than you trying to find it, and also they can handle private solve if it arises. So just in case a problem arises, they already know 2 steps ahead what to do and how to fix those problems even before it arises. And those sometimes those are some of the things that you may not know how to handle, how to you know figure the solution to that, and they are good at getting things done. And also is that the cost of a destination planner, I would say, in my experience, because it's some planner charge differently. Some planner might charge you 20% based on your budget, wedding budget. Some people might charge you a flat fee, like for a day of coordination. So most people know that month of coordination, but people know it's day off. Some people might bill you hourly. Some people might take a percentage between 15 to 20%. It might have a standard cost. So it all varies based on the kind of planner that you're using, and the kind of, because everybody do things differently. I myself, I don't do percentage, because I feel like that kind of whole, I have a flat fee that I charge for each destination wedding, and all there's a lot of factor that goes involved based on what services you need, what service you are looking for, um, and then as well as I can tailor packages to fit your needs, to fit your budget needs that you need. So I don't do percentage, I or based on what or fee, standard fee, or where you go. So, and also if you want to do, let's say if you don't want to book my whole service, if you just want to do like an hourly thing, or and do you know 100% of the stuff by yourself, and then you just need somebody to do some of the aspect for you. So I do that hourly rate, to help you get some things done as well. But you can decide which cost is best for you based on the price and based on how much you're trying to spend to help you do things that you do. So now I get to the point is what a destination planner do. A destination is just like a wedding planner, a traditional wedding planner. All the details are in common. They are responsible for the business knowledge, the research of the law, like I was telling about the matter of the law, in order to let you know what the laws are for those states that you are in. They're also into the venue, the guest count, your budget, your travel. They advise you on everything. So pretty much everything that you need to have a backup plan. If it's raining, they have every aspect of it. So just like a traditional wedding planner, they do exactly the same, but the only difference is that they are not doing it here. They are doing it in a across the ocean or in another country to help you. So everything they do from IRS speaking your guests, lays in a budget, timeline management. So everything that have to do from your wedding from start to finish, they take care of every aspect. So pretty much you just give them their responsibility and they coordinate everything and make your day go exactly the way they do. Some wedding planner do decor, some doesn't. They can help you find all the wedding vendors and everything that you need for your wedding. So they take care of every single aspect of your wedding. From the florist to the DJ, the MC, the officiant. Like I said, the guest list, our wedding website. It all based on the package that you pick too as well. So based, some wedding planner have full services like myself, full service, partial, custom. We customize by so based on what you pick and what you're looking for, the wedding planner can help you with that. But they can help you with from start to finish. To do everything everything in regards to their wedding, they can do that. So one of the questions people wonder, well, how do I find a wedding planner? Well, there's a lot of ways you can find a wedding planner. The knot, the wedding wire, and you maybe from friends or family or friend experience, you can even ask the vendor that you are thinking about using. They can recommend those for you. You can look at local testimony from friends. You can, and no matter who you decide to pick or what route you decide to do, you always want to set up a call to be able to talk to that person, or maybe of if they are local, or for an in-person visit where you can sit there and talk to them and see about the service. My rule of thumb, and I say that no matter who you pick, you want to meet with at least 4 people maximum, because everybody's style is different. You want to find that person that suits your need. Don't do it based on price all the time. And I understand that sometimes necessary cheap don't always mean that they are good, and expensive also don't mean they are great either. So you want to they work well with your style. Some people do things differently. Every wedding planner are different. Everybody do things completely different. So work with a planner that best suit your needs and can work well with you, because it's like a relationship, honestly. If you and your wedding planner are unique and you sing together, you guys will be able to plan smoothly. But if their vision is different from yours and your vision is different, it will always be some kind of conflict, and you may not understand. You may never be on the same page. You may feel like you guys are butting head a lot. And most of the people that I plan with, they are like family. I consider them family because I am planning something that's important to you. So you, as a wedding planner, you got to be a counselor, you got to be a best friend, a sister, a mother. Just name it all. You have to work with that person through the highs and to the lows. So you want to make sure that you pick somebody who can perfectly suit you. You want to do that. And additional things to consider, you want to make sure that whatever the venue that you pick, as I said, you want to go to the venue to look at it with the planner. They know all the right questions to ask. They know what it is that is required of everything that you may not know. You may just say, oh, the venue look different, but when it comes to linens, table linens, utensil and charger plates and things that you see, in regards to, I have a wedding other day that the client paid for some services that was in the contract that they could not use at the venue. But during the wedding, they found out the hard way, and in the end, they actually paid a lot of money for this service, and in the end, they couldn't do it because of they didn't know that the venue didn't allow it. So those are things like that you need to make. A wedding planner will double check and fact check all those things for you and make sure that you was done. But that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and the founder of Linda Perfection Creations. I have many years of experience. You can follow me on my website, www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com, to learn more about my services. You can also sign up for your free 30-minute consultation to tell me about your events that are coming up, and I'll tell you about some of my services that I offer. Thank you so much, and you have an amazing night. Bye.